So temperatures are going to get a little bit milder here over the next couple of days, and the trend is a bit of a changing pattern.
Okay.
So it's been fairly cold. We've been mostly below average for the past 6-7 days. We're going to continue that again today, but I do think we have a little bit of an improving forecast here. As we take a live look at Boston, you can see still some white there across the area, and a lot of that snow is going to melt over the next week. We've been saying that this is a net loss snow week rather than a net gain kind of a snow week, and that's because, indeed, the pattern is undergoing a change. Okay, so we've had this pattern where we've had the cold air coming down from Canada, these little storms sort of rippling underneath us. One of them did give us accumulating snow last Saturday, and a couple of others gave mostly the Cape some accumulating snow this week. Now we go into what's called a zonal flow. Zonal just means that there's little zones rather than what's called meridional meteorologically, which is very loopy, and that tends to give bigger storms, bigger cold, bigger warmth. This kind of gives everybody what you'd typically expect for average, and that's the case. And then we're going to become a little bit more loopy again here as we get for Christmas Eve, this would be Friday, into Saturday, and it may turn a bit milder. The jet stream is going to be right on the edge of us. If it's a little further north, we're going to be 60 degrees here on Friday. If it's a little further south, we'll be in the 40s and lower 50s, and we will be right on the edge. Northern New England could be staying in the 30s, even if Boston ends up at 60 or 61 sometime later this week. More on that, of course, as we get closer, but just something we'll be watching for. So bright and cold today, less wind, spotty precipitation tomorrow morning, and a milder day on Tuesday as things kind of begin to even out. So I put the maps in motion. We'll stop at 9:30 tonight, and you can see mostly cloudy skies at that point. They're high clouds. You'll still probably see the stars through them for a little while. Then the clouds thicken up. And tomorrow morning, there could be some spots of snow and or even drizzle or a little bit of freezing drizzle moving through. And therefore, I did do an accumulation map, which shows that we'll have anywhere from a coating to maybe half an inch of stuff, and further off towards the south, some flurries of drizzle. There could be slippery spots tomorrow morning, so definitely be aware of that and throughout the middle part of the day. But look at temperatures. High temperatures get up near 40 degrees southeastern Massachusetts, but stay right around freezing around Boston. And late in the day, they will get above freezing, so it does become milder here as we head for later in the afternoon. And on Tuesday, that's when we really get quite mild. Take a look, and you can see temperatures on Tuesday getting into the 40s. Will remain near 40 on Wednesday. Colder on Thursday, and then, as I said, we could turn significantly milder at the end of the week.